All right, Keith, thanks a lot. Special Judge Barry Ford denies a request today from Starkville Mayor Lynn Spruill to dismiss the election challenge filed by Johnny Moore. Moore, who ran against Lynn in the mayoral race, wants a review of the ballots and the way the election was conducted.
Yeah, Spruill's attorneys were hoping the challenge would be dismissed because they say Moore didn't follow proper procedures in challenging the tightly contested runoff race. Our Jory Talley joins us live at City Hall in Starkville with more on what's next. Jory.
Audrey and Joey, a month ago today, Mayor Spruill and opponent Johnny Moore met here at City Hall for a hearing before the Democratic Executive Committee. Today, they meet again at the courthouse, this time debating if the case should or shouldn't go forward in a courtroom. A lot of play-by-plays have played out since Democratic mayoral opponent Johnny Moore contested the runoff election results. A committee party hearing, a court-filed motion, and a motion for dismissal of that court-filed motion. On Thursday, Special Judge Barry Ford denied that motion filed by Mayor Spruill's team.
The main thing he looked at was a Supreme Court case from Clay County where this issue has come up before about whether you have to wait for the Executive Committee to rule or not, and the Supreme Court in a unanimous opinion said that you do not have to wait. And so that was the basis of his decision.
Moore's attorney, William Starks, says they're happy with the decision and look forward to presenting their case in court.
He ruled in our favor to allow us to go forward and proceed on the merits and let the voters see what the true result of the election was.
But there's still a chance the case won't go before a judge.
We're trying to decide right now whether or not we're going to go ahead and raise this issue in an interlocutory appeal, which is one we would file now rather than wait for the rest of the case to go on and ask the Mississippi Supreme Court whether they agree that this court does have jurisdiction given the facts of the case.
If they do agree with Judge Ford's decision, then a variety of options could come into play.
There could be a recount that determines the count was right in the first place. There could be a determination about certain ballots that show a different result. There could be and this is just all conceivably, but there could be a determination that it's also confused, and the law is such that the only proper way to do this is to have a hearing, is to have another election.
Although the legal back and forth has been going on since May, it hasn't stopped Mayor Spruill from fulfilling her city duties.
I certainly don't think it's going to prevent Lynn from doing the best job she can for the city and continuing to operate as if what we think is going to happen, as if we're going to prevail in this election contest.
Once a decision is made about the possible appeal, then a court date will be set and the parties will meet again before Judge Ford. Reporting live in Starkville, Jory Talley, WCBI News. Audrey and Joey.